Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiara's Kinks here. I wanted to show you something that is really important to me. It's my first unboxing video and I am working with Edenbodyworks. So this is my first box and like look at the packaging. And I got the coconut shea line. So the first product I got is the natural cleansing co-wash, which is one of my staples for in between wash days. I really like this. The next is the coconut shea leave-in conditioner. I have not tried this product yet, but I'm very excited to try it. The next product is the coconut shea curling jelly. Also haven't tried this product, but I'm very excited to try this. And then another product that I have not tried, but I'm very excited to try is the coconut shea curl defining cream. So I am definitely thinking of doing like a twist out with this or a wash and go because I've seen some really good results. And then I also received a brush with the best, and it's like a marble gray color. I'm just very excited. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to start washing my hair, so continue to watch this video. So for this style, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner and the natural curl defining cream. These two products work very well together. They help with moisture, and the curl defining cream really does have a lot of hold. So I apply the leave-in conditioner first, and then I put the curl defining cream just to make sure that I am distributing the product evenly. I detangle with my brush with the best brush. And I like this brush, but I feel like sometimes it can be a little rough on my hair, so I don't use it often. But to get started on the twist, I start parting my hair in 3 sections. So I braid at the root, and then think of it this way. Each strand has to take a turn going around in a circle. That sounds crazy, but that's the only way that I can describe it. So each section, each strand of hair that you're using has to go around each other and meet at the beginning where you started. And you just have to twist as tightly as possible. I am not going to act like 3-strand twists are easy to do because it definitely took me multiple tries and a lot of errors for me to finally understand a nice method that works for me. But once you get the hang of it, you definitely see the difference in the definition, because the definition is unmatched compared to a 2-strand twist out. So when I get to the bottom of the twist, I just combine the sections into 2, and then I coil at the end so the end is curled at the bottom. This is what the twist should look like, nice and juicy. And just to speed it up, I am braiding the root and then making sure that each strand is twisted and getting its own turn around. So each section gets their own turn. That's literally the only way I can describe it. I hope that makes sense. But this is what all of my twists look like, nice and juicy, child. I'm using one of my favorite oils from Bask and Bloom, their stimulating herbal oil, to take down my twist. I just apply the oil all over my twist just to reduce and prevent frizz. And then to unravel, I just twist my hair in the opposite direction to take out the twist, and the definition is already on point. So this is one of the reasons why I said I love 3-strand twist outs, because the definition is just way more accurate for me. Like, look at how defined my hair looks compared to a 2-strand twist out. And in order to separate and not get any frizz, I just separate where my hair separates naturally, and I'm not forcing any separation. But I just love the results. Let me know if you guys like the results, and thank you again for watching my video. Please tune in for the next video and continue to support me because it is greatly appreciated. I'll see you in the next video, guys.